As Newport News Shipbuilding's highest honor, the Model of Excellence Award recognizes and celebrates shipbuilders who consistently achieve extraordinary results as one team.
We all have to rely on each other to accomplish the mission, and is to build these wonderful aircraft carriers and submarines.
Here in the yard, we build, different product lines, aircraft carriers, submarines, a lot of shop work. It takes all of us to get it done.
I absolutely don't think it was just my efforts that got me here. It was a team effort.
My current role as a construction supervisor, I'm literally in the mix with every trade out here. Planning, engineering. We're all working together. It's a very complex piece of equipment that we are building. It takes all of us together to achieve the ends.
Motivation to do my job basically comes from my employees that I work with. They always encouraging you. You just had that good time. If you can't laugh, that's not a good day.
We all work as a team down here to get things done. So when you get something accomplished, we really pat each other on the back.
The KPX program allows the mechanic on the deck plate to status their work as they're working. It's not like I can come in and claim this MOE. The entire team, everybody, including the mechanics testing on the ship, all put in 110% to get this program where it is.
Receiving the MOE, that is motivation and determination to do better and continue to grow within my craft and within the shipyard overall.
The MOE that we won is for ergonomics development. Ergonomics is fitting the job to the person. It's about bending and twisting, lifting properly, pretty much enabling our workforce to go home the same way they came in. It does tie in with safety. All of our shipbuilders, whether they're on the platens, on the boats, in an office, they come across ergonomic risks every day, and hopefully we're going to spread the word on what to look for with your everyday processes.
To be a Model of Excellence recipient holds responsibility. You're a model. I want to be a model. I want people to see what I'm doing, even on my worst days, and say, hey, he did it with integrity, he did it with ethics, he did it safely.
The MOE was for automated budget distribution. So on an overhaul, the trades are seeing their budgets for in-use work packages a lot quicker than they ever have. On previous overhauls, it would take anywhere from 160 days to 3 years, even more. So now they're getting it on average in like a month, one accounting period.
I want to make sure that our shipbuilders are getting the best product they can down on the waterfront. When I started here back in 1984, I came in as a welder. Knew nothing about the shipbuilding industry, just knew that, hey, we built aircraft carriers here, we built submarines here. To be part of a team now that's on the front end trying to bring new technology in so we can build these things more efficiently, so we can reduce our costs, really means a lot.
Oftentimes around the shipyard you hear, that's not how we do things in the shipyard. Winning an MOE is a kind of recognition and showing that that's not always the case. We won the MOE for transforming how we deliver information to employees. The app is a very unique tool in how we deliver information accurately and timely to employees all at the same time, 24 hours a day.
There are things in your career that mean a tremendous amount, and this is one of the highest honors. I'm an apprentice grad, so that was a big deal for me, but the MOE is a very high honor.
We won the MOE for assisting the Boys and Girls Club of the Virginia Peninsula. We were able to work with suppliers and able to take some PCs that were coming to end of life for us after 3.5, 4 years, and then start putting them out at different clubs. Anytime that you give technology to young people, they do great things and realize that this is going to be our next generation of shipbuilders. I mean, that's exciting.
Recognition means that I have been appreciated. And people is aware of the job that we do around here.
I'm still in awe of the things collectively that we can build and do
for the company and to help protect our great nation. It's quite an honor for me to get up and come to work here every morning.
My passion definitely for all this comes from me being in the Navy before joining the Yard. Seeing everything then and then seeing how everything's built now, it's just amazing. Walking through the boat and seeing where everything goes and now seeing how everything's built, it gives you a real great sense of pride.
The guys that go out on the ship, they rely on us. It's like people build our cars. We rely on them to give us good cars to go up and down the road. Same thing out in the ocean. We got to defend our country.
I have, in my life, never felt so much in a place that I've worked like I had a family. I walk in these gates, and the people in here are my family. It makes me feel like I have to give 110% because they're expecting that of me and I expect that of them.